Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Here in this video, we are going to discuss how we can download and install Realtek HD audio driver on Windows 11. So that's been said, let's get started. Let me tell you that if your Windows system is missing a audio driver, then you should install Realtek HD audio driver. It is one of the best audio driver for your Windows operating system. Now to download, simply open your device manufacturer website. So I have a built PC and I'm using Gigabyte motherboard. That's why I had opened Gigabyte support page. If you have system from HP, then you should open HP website. You have to search for the device. So for example, you have HP EliteBook 860. Simply search for the device and here you have to select your operating system. Now select your operating system version, then click on submit button and click on all driver option, and here you should get your audio driver. So I have Gigabyte motherboard on my system. I will simply download Realtek HD audio driver for my Gigabyte motherboard. For that, I will simply search for my Gigabyte motherboard and I will simply click on support button. Here you have to select your operating system. Simply select your operating system and here you should get your driver option. So I want to download Realtek HD audio driver. I will simply select this option and here click on this download button. Let me tell you that the installation process of Realtek HD audio driver for all the manufacturer are same. But you have to download a specific Realtek HD audio driver for your system. It will download a zip file. Simply open this zip file. On the download folder, you will find the downloaded file. Simply extract this zip file. I'm going to use WinRAR. Once the file has been extracted, simply open this folder. Now open this folder and here you will find Realtek setup application. Simply open this setup application and here you will find Realtek HD audio driver installation window. Here simply click on next and it will install your audio driver. Once the installation process is complete, simply restart your computer. To restart your computer, simply click on yes, I want to restart my computer now, then click on finish. Once the restart process has been completed, simply open your device manager. To open the device manager, right click on window icon, then click on device manager and it will open the device manager. Here simply look for sound, video and game controller, expand this category and here you should get Realtek audio driver. Right click on it, then click on update driver option. Here simply click on search automatically for driver and it will install the latest Realtek HD audio driver on your system. Here you can see best audio driver for your device is already installed. Simply close this. Now on the search option, search for Realtek and here you will find Realtek HD audio console. Simply open this. Using it, you can manage your audio on Windows 11. So that's it. This is how you can download and install Realtek HD audio driver on Windows 11. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.